everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to Japanize vanilla ice cream. Today, I'm going to show you 4 toppings you can use to instantly Japanize vanilla ice cream. I think they will be a great addition to Japan-themed dinner. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Matcha and Anko bean jam. It's matcha green tea powder and Anko bean jam. I'm using homemade Anko, but canned one is available at Japanese or Asian grocery stores. Number 2. Kuromitsu Kinako. Kuromitsu is dark brown sugar syrup and Kinako is roasted soybean powder. Kinako has toasty, nutty flavor, so it tastes a little bit like peanut butter ice cream. Number 3. Shoyu syrup. It's mixture of 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. This one tastes like a salty caramel ice cream. And number 4, miso syrup. You just need to mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of miso. Any miso you like. This one tastes like somewhere between peanut butter ice cream and salty caramel ice cream. I hope you can add one of them, or all of them, to your Japan-themed dinner menu. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!